Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 16th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we are sitting at the 78% Fibonacci retracement. I still think that if this is a wave C, which it looks like it is, that it's more likely to go up to this 100% Fibonacci extension, which will also give us the liquidity grab that is probably going to be required to push this back down. But the 78% is often an area of resistance, so it could cause a little bit of a pullback. Maybe even end up being like a one, two, three, four, and then eventually back up one more time for a wave five of C before it reverses back down. So taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, I would currently have my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up. If you see three waves down to any one of these Fibonacci levels, like a three-wave ABC pullback, and then a nice engulfing move to the upside, I definitely would still continue to look for longs on the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. There's definitely no reason to say that this uptrend is complete on any of the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.